Hi guys, how to download WinRAR on PC or laptop. Ever tried opening a zip or RAR file and got stuck? What if I told you there's a tiny tool that can unlock any compressed file fast and free? Stay tuned, because I'm about to show you how to download and install WinRAR on your PC the right way. Now first of all, open Chrome and search WinRAR, press enter. And click the first WinRAR website link in description. After that, click the download WinRAR. And scroll down, click again download WinRAR. Your downloading was started, please wait. Downloading and completed. To click the show download folder. In this is a WinRAR setup, double click in the WinRAR. After that, click the install. And this is file. To select a file, for example RAR, zip and down click OK. And down click the done. Your WinRAR is installed. And that's it, WinRAR is now ready on your computer. You can open, extract, and compress files in seconds. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one. Keep learning smart.